Welcome to Inteb's third Intebinar. I'm Neelam Chowdhury from Tandem Property Asset Management, where I'm partner and head of ESG. I'm honoured to be your chair for today's session, and we're thrilled to have you all join us as we delve into the critical topic of future-proofing and asset optimisation. In today's rapidly evolving world, the ability to future-proof commercial assets is more important than ever. As landlords and occupiers face unprecedented challenges and opportunities, optimising existing buildings to ensure long-term sustainability and resilience is crucial. This Intebinar will explore innovative strategies, best practices, and real-world examples to help you navigate this complex landscape. Building on topics covered in the previous two Intebinars, these sessions focus on future-proofing commercial assets and optimising performance in an evolving sustainability landscape. Our experts will explore key strategies including net zero pathways, lifecycle management, and whole life carbon assessment. They'll also cover methodologies such as BREEAM and green building ratings, alongside technical energy audits and strategies for achieving net zero carbon through smart specification and fit-out approaches. The objective is to empower you to lead the way in sustainable building practices whilst maximising asset value and longevity. I am delighted to announce the Inted team of experts who will be sharing their insights and experiences with us today. We have Lily Boyle on the call, Senior Sustainability Consultant, Spondan Bagawati, Senior Sustainability Consultant, and Alex Rowley, Technical Account Manager. We're confident that today's session will provide you with actionable strategies and deeper understanding of how to future-proof and optimise commercial assets. So, without further ado, let's get started. Please join me in welcoming our first speaker, Lily, who's going to kick things off.
So before we dive into this Intebinars topics, we just wanted to do a very brief recap of what we covered in CPD 1 and CPD 2. And these two sessions, they really set the foundation and built on the concepts of data, benchmarking, and building performance. In our previous Intebinars, we discussed the importance of data as a building block for sustainability, and we highlighted the benefits of accurate and reliable data and how this can be used to benchmark performance for not only individual assets, but to make comparisons between buildings across a portfolio. We also looked at how we can improve building performance using this data and the benchmarks that we've calculated. So in order for a building to be resilient to unexpected or uncontrollable events, things like extreme weather, which is something that we've been seeing more and more recently, we need to make changes to help properties adapt. This helps to avoid assets becoming stranded, which could mean that they're prematurely written down or devalued because we haven't made the property more sustainable or operationally efficient. And that feeds in really nicely to our first slide of this webinar, which focuses on the effective management and reporting of data and how that can help to future-proof assets and property portfolios. The common theme that you'll see across all of our Intebinars is the importance of data. It's the keystone of how we can help assets to become more sustainable for years to come. But it's only helpful if we have accurate data. And this is something that we've seen companies struggle with time and time again. If you can get your data to be as reliable and accurate as possible, we can utilise the most relevant and up-to-date emission factors. This can help us to set a robust benchmark to track progress over time, and as I mentioned before, either for a single property or even across an entire portfolio. And if we couple this with a suitable software solution, you not only have a place to store this data, but a way to visualise where you are now and where you want to be. Carbon accounting software and the analysis that typically comes with it, it can really help you to make good informed decisions and communicate this internally with your staff and to your external stakeholders as well. And data reporting and understanding where your emissions come from in terms of geographical location, that can also be really beneficial. A lot of software solutions use the most relevant conversion factors per country. So for property management portfolios or businesses with international assets, you'll really benefit from this. You'll get a much more accurate understanding of your emissions per location. And then finally on this slide, we've got tracking progress. You'll notice a theme throughout these slides. You'll hear the words data accuracy and benchmarking a lot. And that's because it really is the foundation of future-proofing your assets and optimizing their operational performance.